What's up, everyone? It is Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. Long time no see. I have not posted a makeup tutorial on this channel in so long, but it feels so good. And if you guys want to know how I get my natural glam look, make sure you continue to watch. But it feels so good to be sitting down filming a makeup tutorial, but I am here with a highly requested video. So many of you guys have been requesting that I do a natural makeup look. So we are going to be doing a natural full glam makeup look using none other than the 27K palettes from Belle. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. I've already cleansed my skin, moisturized my skin, applied my sunscreen, and now we're gonna move on into primer. This primer right here is one of my favorites. It's the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I just had to pick up a new one. Oh my goodness, I hate this. This is new, but I can see that somebody ran their finger in it. Urgh. Okay, I'm just gonna scrape some from the side. Alright, but this is like kind of like a dupe for the Tatcha primer. Alright, so I'm going to go in and apply my eye cream. I'm using the Illuminating Eye Cream by e.l.f. If I can screw this off. So yeah, we're just going to put a little bit. And this is just going to help keep my under eyes moisturized, especially when I go in and set with powder. I don't want it to look all dry looking. So you want to make sure your skin is moisturized, and also like under your eyes when you're baking is moisturized before you go in with product. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place. This is the number 16, and I'm going to go ahead and apply just to conceal my dark circles.
I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain.
But now I'm just going to let this concealer set and dry. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and I'll probably do a separate eyebrow tutorial for you guys, but I am using my brow pencil from Belle. If you guys are looking for some brow products, definitely check out my website.
Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but
now it's time to go into my Fearless Belle brush sets, and I'm going to pick up my favorite brush to go around and conceal around my eyebrows.
I needed something different, and it had to be you out the blue. Somebody who...
For foundation, I'm using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Aruba, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's amazing. It is buildable, so if you want like a natural look, you can definitely achieve that with this foundation. If you want to build it up to full coverage, you can definitely do that as well. So when I'm blending out my foundation, I like to use like stippling motions. Blending is key whether you're working with eyeshadow, foundation, concealer, anything. When you're doing your makeup, blending is key. So I just went in and I conceal above my eyebrow, and now I'm blending that concealer out. Don't just leave it there. We don't want to see that line just sitting there. Blend it, girl, blend it. Now I'm going to go in with my contour stick, and that's just going to add some dimension and depth back into the skin, because right now my skin is just looking like boom, like blah. So I'm going to go in with my Black Opal True Color foundation stick in the shade Nutmeg. And as you can see, I did not bring my foundation up on my forehead, and this is why, because we're going to contour, okay? I also go down the sides of my nose. I bring it up very close to my eyebrow. And we're going to blend it out. My favorite brush to blend out my contour. Like I do with my foundation, I'm using this stippling method. Just pouncing the brush on my skin, blending it out. I'm not using swiping motions. I'm pouncing it into my skin.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here,
Man, girl. I'm blending it up towards my brow because I wanted to like touch the edge right here of my brow. And that's going to diffuse that line. It's going to make it look so much more natural looking. Like just everything is blending and running together. So just blend it into the top portion of your brow. Blend. Of course, you can use a smaller brush for this. Definitely recommend that. However, yeah, here we go. I'm going to use this brush right here. It's out of my 19-piece brush set by Fearless Belle. And I'm just going to blend this nose. So this brush set is not just for your eyes. It's like an everyday brush set. You can use it for your face. Certain brushes can be used for your face. So now we're going to go in with our concealer, and it's time to conceal just a little bit. So I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to go just like I did in the beginning, right here in a portion of my eye, outer portion, inner portion, outer portion. Now taking this brush out of my brush set, I'm going to use it to buff out my transition shade. And I'm going to use Positive Vibes out of the 27K palette. And first, I'm just going to pat this color on. Do y'all see the pigmentation? Get into it. And I'm bringing it up because I'm going to blend this into my contour. And now you just want to buff it out. Alright, so after blending that color out, I'm going to go in with the color Classy. Like I said, this is a natural look, so we're keeping it toned down. And we're going to put a light shade on our lid. So I'm going to go in with this brush right here and just pack this color on. This is a nice eggshell color. Okay, so we have one eye done, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Now since our eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go back in with my concealer brush and conceal. I'm going to pick up this brush right here. This is out of the palette as well, the brush set. And this is a little smaller, and I love that it has an angle, so this works really great with blending out the contour on your nose. Now I'm going to just take my big brush, and I'm just going to go over this area just to blend. I'm going to take that brush and just blend, blend, blend. You want to make sure everything is seamless. And now I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just blend this area right here. Blend this highlight and this my concealer and my contour together. Come down here, blend. so now I'm going to take my powder, and this is what I'm going to use to set my under eye concealer. Anywhere I place concealer, I'm going to use this powder right here to set it. One thing I love to do is add concealer, not concealer, but eyeshadow my lower lash line. So I'm going to take one of my smaller detail brushes out of the brush set, and I'm going to take the color Positive Vibes, and I'm going to put this under my lower lash line. Alright, so now it's time for eyelashes. And before I apply my eyelashes, I do like to do a coat of mascara. I just feel like applying mascara just helps them blend well together. And also after doing eyeshadow, you have eyeshadow on your lashes. And this is just going to help remove that eyeshadow. For my lashes today, instead of using my 2-in-1 eyelash adhesive, it is available on the website. I'm going to use this new lash glue that's going to be dropping very soon on Belle website. And I feel like this is a little bit easier to use. It's just a brush on. And for eyelashes, like I always say, make sure your mirror is down. You want your mirror to be down. And that is going to make it so much easier for you to drop the eyelash. And just drop it. You can also use eyelash tweezers. I do have those available on the site. And boom, your eyelashes are on. So now I baked for a little too long. I'm just going to go in and just pat this powder in. I'm going to go in with my foundation powder. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm in the shade Warm Sand. And I'm going to set everywhere else on my face, like right here, to get away that white cast. I'm going to set that with my foundation powder. This area. Now it's time to move on to setting your contour. So I'm going to use my Anastasia, what is this? The Contour Powder Kit. And we are going to go over this contour.
So we started building trust and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah. Should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice. But I needed to.
For blush, I'm going to take my Morphe blush set and apply these two right here. And my blush, I like to bring it up. Alright, and for my lip gloss color today, I'm going to take the color Nude, and this is by Fearless Belle as well. And I'm just going to pop this in the middle. I'm going to take a little bit of Peach Me, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, because I don't want to put it on my lips and get it mixed in with the color Nude, like get my brush on this gloss mixed in. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to dab it on top. Oh, that just set it off. I'm going to take my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, spray my face, and this is going to get rid of that powder look if you have any of that ashy powder look. This is the trick. Girl. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna go in with liner and line my lower lash line, and then we are done with the look. Well, not quite yet. We gotta add some highlight, and I'm just gonna apply my highlighter right here. I am just gonna dabble wabble into my Summer Skies palette, and I'm going to take the shade Dandelion. It's a white shade, and I'm going to pop this in the inner corners of my eyes. Alright guys, so here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me showing you how I do my flawless, natural, full face, full glam makeup look. If you guys enjoy my makeup tutorials, of course subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if this is your first video. I not only do makeup tutorials, but I also do vlogs. I share my life, my family, my life as a mom, wife, and of course an entrepreneur. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love and appreciate the support. Peace.